Suppose we have data in text format in which serial number, item name, and date of purchase are separated by a character. We are considering text data separated by different delimiters like commas, colon, space, and semicolon. In order to convert this data into separate columns, we have Text to Columns tool in Excel. Under Data tab, select Text to Columns, and then Convert Text to Columns wizard will open up. Select Delimited as data type and click Next. Now, we could see list of delimiters, and we can select specific delimiters depending upon our data. Let's select relevant delimiters one by one. We can't find colon in the list, but we can select it by first selecting the other and then entering any required character manually in the list. As can be seen in Data Preview that all our data is separated, we click Finish and final data is ready, where each information is separated by a column. But what happened to serial numbers? No worries, just data format needs change. Press Ctrl+1 to access Format Cells window and select required format, and it's done. To clarify the use of Text to Columns tool, we took multiple rows for data with a specific delimiter. Just repeat the steps already shown and see if it works. Works fine. Let's move to second method to convert text into columns. If we have text data just separated by spaces, as shown, we could choose fixed width data type and click Next. Here we could see that spaces have been replaced by arrows automatically. Arrows signify column breaks. Click Finish, see the results. The arrows will not be shown if data to be separated for a specific column is not of fixed width, as we have shown in this example. Serial number column in text data is not of fixed width. Number 9 is single digit, and other two numbers are double digit. Let's go back to fixed width option for this data and see what happens. As we can see here, arrows are not shown. But instructions are given to create, delete, or move an arrow. Just click the desired position to add an arrow. In order to emphasize the importance of arrow position, let's move arrow to the position shown and finish. This is not the desired result for serial number column. Let's go back and set arrows carefully. If you want to delete the arrow, double-click it. Place arrow at desired position and click Finish. Now we get the desired results. Hopefully, this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.